The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specify a general requirement to bond aluminum structures when water is not present. Let's examine the relevant sections of the NEC to clarify this point. NEC Section 250.116 addresses metal raceways used as equipment grounding conductors. The fine print notes associated with this section clarify that bonding is required where the raceway is used as an equipment grounding conductor or in a system that utilizes the raceway for grounding. This indicates that the requirement for bonding is contingent upon the raceway's role in the grounding system. If the aluminum structure, such as a screen enclosure, lanai, or room, is not being used as an equipment grounding conductor, then according to this section, bonding is not required. NEC Section 250.116 further provides specific guidelines for bonding jumpers in pool or spa areas. This section mandates the use of bonding jumpers for all metal enclosures located within the vicinity of indoor and outdoor swimming pools, spas, and hot tubs. However, it's crucial to recognize that this requirement is explicitly limited to areas where water is present. The presence of water introduces a heightened risk of electrical shock, necessitating more stringent safety measures. Therefore, if the aluminum structure is located in an area where there is no pool, spa, or hot tub, then this particular section does not apply and does not necessitate bonding. Based on the information extracted from the NEC, the interpretation requiring all aluminum structures to be bonded, irrespective of the presence of water, appears to be in overreach. The NEC requirements for bonding are generally tied to the presence of water or the structure's function as an equipment grounding conductor. To further clarify the situation, consider these points. Firstly, review the specific language in the cited NEC section 250.116 with the building department. Emphasize the conditional nature of the bonding requirement, which is dependent on the presence of water or the structure's role in grounding. Secondly, provide the building department with a written request for clarification. This formal request should detail the specific aluminum structures in question, explain why you believe the bonding requirement is not applicable based on the NEC, and ask for a written explanation of their interpretation of the code. Thirdly, if you are unable to resolve the issue with the local building department, consider contacting the authority having jurisdiction, or urge for further clarification. The AHJ is the governing body responsible for interpreting and enforcing the NEC in your jurisdiction. Their interpretation of the code is binding and can provide a definitive answer to the question of whether or not bonding is required in your specific situation. In summary, the NEC does not mandate the bonding of aluminum structures in the absence of water, unless they are being used as equipment grounding conductors. Understanding the specific language of the NEC and engaging in open communication with the building department and the AHJ can help ensure that the code is applied correctly in your situation. It is always advisable to consult with a licensed electrical engineer or qualified electrician for specific guidance on electrical installations and code compliance. They can assess the specific circumstances of your project and provide expert advice on the appropriate bonding and grounding requirements.